Hey guys, my name is Shihir Sai from Tech Greats, and today I'm going to be talking about my PC. And it's awesome, so let's get to it. Let's start off with specs. My computer is rocking an Intel Core i5, the 4460 model, clocked at 3.2 GHz. It also has a bit dated but still great NVIDIA GTX 760 graphics card. It's also running on Windows 10 with 16 GB of RAM. I installed my operating system on my 256 GB Samsung SSD, which is extremely quick, and rest of my data is on my 1 TB hard drive. The motherboard I use is the Asus Z978, and it's one of the best motherboards out there. It is compatible with over 1000 devices and has this awesome crystal sound 2 technology, which helps drive my headphones. If you want to check out my headphone review, press the link down below. It has many I/O ports and it's just awesome and extremely reliable. Has very fast SATA speeds up to 10 gigabytes per second. It's amazing. Now, specs aside, let's talk about how it performs, and it performs great. Day-to-day functions are very quick due to the SSD that I installed Windows 10 on, and one thing I really like about my computer is how fast it renders video files and can handle Adobe Premiere and Adobe After Effects while also running Spotify, Chrome, and Photoshop in the background, which is very useful. This is probably due to the 16 GB of RAM and the very fast SSD and the processor, the i5 Intel Core i5 processor. So how does it perform while gaming though? It performs actually really good. When my brother gave me the NVIDIA GTX 760, I thought gaming would be quite a problem because the newer games are quite graphic intensive. But when I was playing the new Tomb Raider game, The Rise of the Tomb Raider, I was getting like 52 frames a second, 40 frames a second, and 45 frames per second on the benchmark. And while I was playing it though, I was getting 50 frames per second quite consistent. Sometimes it would drip down to 30, but it's completely playable. Another game very recently started playing was Doom, and automatically Doom adjusted my settings to Ultra. Now that was quite of a surprise to me because Doom is a very graphic intensive game, a lot of things going on, and the gameplay was really smooth. However, when I tried to record the gameplay, it kept on, the screen recorder wouldn't record for some reason. But just trust me on this, it played at 60 frames per second, and sometimes it dipped down to 30 seconds when a lot of demons were there and just lots of explosions and stuff. But that's completely playable. It never dipped down 30 frames per second, which is great. And also quite surprising too, because it's a pretty old card. And I also decided to run a Geekbench score, and a single core it got 3773 and a multi-score of 10,619. That's pretty good, especially for the multi-score. Single core score could have been much better. It's not the greatest, but it definitely works. As I said, it's a great computer and I rely it on a lot. It hasn't crashed on me yet. Windows 10 is very quick and there's not much to say about it. I love my computer. My brother and I built it together and it's been really fun. Alright, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. That'll help me out a lot. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.